it's me again. Welcome back. So I would like to move on and let's say continue explaining modal verbs, but to express necessity. So first of all, I would like to explain what necessity is. Necessity is something absolutely necessary. The fact of being needed or a requirement. In order for us to express necessity, we can use like two modal verbs. So the first modal verb would be need to, and the second one have to. We can use these both in affirmative or in negative, and we're going to check the differences between these two. All right, are you ready? Okay, so let's move on. Very well, so let's move on. Actually, this section will be like pretty easy, and this video will take no longer than 3 or 4 minutes. So let's begin. If we want to express necessity, we can use the modal verb need to, and I have a very clear example for that. Okay, to get there on time, we'll need to take an Uber. Also, we can use have to. To get there on time, we'll have to take an Uber. As you can see, both examples are the same. I mean, the final meaning won't be affected. We can either use need to or have to. The final meaning would be the same. Now, there is something else that I would like to mention, which is like, okay, we can use this in negative. If we want to express necessity, but in a negative way, I mean like there is no necessity for you to do something, okay, I can use this in two ways. I can use needn't, which is like the negative way, and I am using, let's say, like a contraction. It actually does exist. So we can go like that, and it goes like, okay, we have plenty of time, we needn't hurry to get there. Just notice, guys, that when I am using this contraction, it is not necessary to use the infinitive, I mean the preposition, so we can have the infinitive. But if I am using don't need to, well, in this case, the preposition to is absolutely necessary. So I can say we have plenty of time. We don't need to hurry to get there. So as you can see, both examples are the same. Just notice the difference between needn't and don't need to, because let's say I am not using the preposition to on my first example. Is that clear? So basically, pretty easy. So thank you very much, guys. That's all I have to say on, I don't know, about modal verbs to express necessity. So I believe this is like the final tutorial for today. So thank you very much for watching. And just remember one more time that if you have like any questions or any doubts, you can always send me an email or a private message on Google Classroom. So thank you very much. Stay home, be safe, and well, see you next time.